Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now let's make some lasagna roll-ups. So guys, I'm just fine dicing some onions to go in my meat sauce. Now guys, before you start doing all this, you're just gonna go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And I also went ahead and I add some salted water in a pot for my lasagna. So now that my water has started to boil, I'm just gonna add my lasagna sheets and I'm just gonna let that cook until it's al dente. Now guys, in this skillet on medium heat, I'm just adding my oil for my meat sauce and I'm just adding my ground beef, my onions that I was chopping earlier, some minced garlic, some garlic powder, Maggi AP Seasoning. Then I'll just stir that until it's well combined. Then I'll be adding my President's Choice spinach and cheese pasta sauce. And some oregano, because what's a lasagna without oregano, right? Then I'm gonna leave that for about a minute until the liquid has reduced. Then guys, I'll be adding a generous amount of the meat sauce on the lasagna sheets. Along with some ricotta cheese. Then I'm just rolling my sheets semi-tightly. Now I'm just gonna spread the remaining meat sauce over the roll-ups. And also some ricotta. And cheese. Then I'm just gonna cover that with foil and I'm just gonna bake that for about 30 minutes. Now guys, you're gonna remove your foil, set your oven to broil, and let it bake for another 3 minutes until the cheese is golden. Now guys, my roll-ups are out of the oven. It's time to dig in, but first we're gonna add some parsley just to top it off. But yeah, let's dig in. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.